Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy Joy for those of you who do not know. If it is your first time, hey y'all! This is going to be a DIY how-to video on how you can achieve such beautiful dip nails right in your own home. If this is something that you're interested in, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and definitely through with a nail file just to make sure that you are achieving that crisp shape that you want. And then after you finish shaping each nail, you're gonna go in and you're gonna buff it. Once that's complete, you go in with your top coat. Mine is a non-slip shiny top coat, so I don't have to use any rubbing alcohol. It's just paint the top coat, and I stick it in the nail